So we're going to be doing stop signs today. It's pretty straightforward. Stop means stop, there's no confusion. While driving along, I'll try and cover what I think is an easy stop sign, and I'll try and give you a couple of examples of different areas of stop signs. Let's get going. So we're driving in Bletchley at the moment. This road's called Western Road, so people who live in Bletchley know it quite well. Lots of parked cars, and we're approaching a crossroads. Now it's got a stop sign on it, and it's notoriously difficult to get out this one. You can see on the left there's actually a warning of it coming up, and you can just see it because it's hidden by the tree. On the left, the sign, there it is, and on the stop line on the bottom, spelled out stop with a solid white line. Now if you look at the cameras on the right and left, you can see on the left quite clearly up the road, but the right you can't. So there's always a danger side, obviously, because it's a crossroad. You've got to be aware of the cars in front of you at the same time. So there's no rush, and it's always stop the car, handbrake, first gear. That's why I say to people, there's no confusion then. Examiner knows exactly what you're doing. You're stopping the car, you're having a good look right and left, make sure you're happy that it's clear. And then once you're happy, you're off. There's no confusion. It's easy for you to do, and everyone knows what you're doing. If you try slowing down in first gear and balancing the gas and clutch out on a hill, it's pretty tricky to do. So if we move to this next one here, this is in the countryside, little village called Swanbom. As we approach it, it's a stop junction, this one, and you can see the stop sign on the left there, and you can just about see the white stop line coming into focus now. And you've got the cameras on right and left. Now this time the right's clear, you can see it on all, but the left you can't, so you've got to pay attention. And on this one here, you've got a school ahead of you and a church on your right, so it's going to be dangerous and busy at some point. So you have to bear these things in mind. When you come to stop junctions, give them the credit due, be careful, and don't take chances. And remember, when you get there, slow down, stop, first gear, no messing around, handbrake on, and check both ways, right and left. And if you're not too sure, check again. So I hope this has helped you, this quick video on stop signs. If it has, fantastic. Give it the thumbs up and look out for my next video next week.